it's Danielle over at 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Fleximount classic overhead storage rack for your garage. So this is it right here, and basically it mounts to your ceiling in your garage, and it allows you to put some storage up overhead. It's great for items like seasonal things where you only need to take them down like once a year. And then on the outside, we like to put other items like extra toilet paper, extra paper towels. We buy things in bulk. Here is how to install it. It's super easy. It's a great affordable way to get all your stuff out of the way so you can park your car in the garage or do woodworking projects in your garage or whatever else you need to do. So let's get started. The kit comes with the tools necessary to put this together. However, if you want your process to be a little quicker, we really recommend an impact driver with a socket. It will speed up the process considerably. We have 4 panels, and then you attach them together. And then you also have to put up the pieces on the ceiling. Okay, so the top rail goes on first. You obviously want to be screwing them into a stud, and then you can set and adjust the height based on where you place the vertical pieces. Now, our next step is to lift the panels up and attach them up here. So it took 3 of us, of course one of us was a 10-year-old, to lift this up. It's not super heavy, but it's long. So the nice part is that each of the corner braces has like a little area, so it just snugs right in there and gives you a chance to be able to screw all the other pieces in. But overall, the corners help hold you up a little. Okay, so here it is, all secured in place. We're gonna start putting some items on there to get them out of the way so we can clean up our garage and get everything organized. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Please visit my blog, 𝐷IYDanielle.com.